In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Binance. If you like this video, don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. The first step is to go to Binance. You can go through my affiliate link to get a 20% discount on your future fees on Binance and earn a $100 bonus. You will find the link directly in the description bar of the video or in the first comment pinned under the YouTube video. All you have to do is click on it and you will automatically be redirected to Binance. So to register, you can do it via a Google Gmail address or with Apple directly if you are on a Mac. You can also simply enter a simple email address or a mobile number. I will directly enter my email address, so I click on register via email. Then you enter your email address, you check the box to accept the conditions and you put next. Then you will receive a verification code on your email address. I'm going to go to my Gmail address and you can see that you normally receive an email, so all you have to do is open it and you will see your verification code, which is displayed here. You can copy and paste it and then enter it directly into the box. Then you will have to set a password, then you click on next. Then you will see it displayed normally. If you clicked on my affiliate link, my sponsorship code will allow you to have your welcome bonus. So it's really very useful, don't hesitate to use it. If you haven't put it yet, you can simply enter the code that appears here, RH9S25AL. Once it's good, click accept the conditions and put next. You can choose to stay connected or not on the device directly. Click yes, that's how it is, it's simpler. And then the next step will be to verify your account. So you must enter the country in which you have your residence, in which you live. So for me it's Switzerland. Then you click on continue. You must then enter your nationality, your first and last name, your date of birth. You then click on continue. Once this is done, you must enter your residential address. Then, you will need to bring your identity card to verify your account, for example your passport or your national identity card. You can either do it directly on the web, on your computer, or on your mobile phone. So if you want to do it on your cell phone, you click on the link right at the bottom. And if you want to continue on the computer, you click on continue. So there, the same, you select the country from which your identity card comes. Then you select which type of ID card you want to take a photo of. Then, again, it asks you if you want to do it on your cell phone or continue on your computer. If you already have scans of your ID card, that's perfect, you can click here. But if you want to take the photo directly, well, continue on mobile. Then you get a secure link. You can scan it with your cell phone camera, or simply send you the link, for example, by email and open it on your mobile phone. So like this. So there I scanned the QR code with my cell phone. You are going to take a photo of your identity card. Your photo must not be blurry. You must take a photo of the entire ID card without cutting any edges and try to avoid light reflections on your ID card. So take a photo, but you on a white background, it's simpler, and you put the front of your identity card, you take a photo, if it looks good to you, you put use, then you put send, then you have to record a video of your face, so you start recording, activate the camera, authorize, and you have to put your head in the frame like this. You have to turn your head slightly, upload the recording. Then you can go back to your computer, send the verification. Then you can simply indicate for what purpose you want to use Binance, for example, to invest. You put continue. You put what is your main source of income. Generally, this will be your profession. You can say if you are employed, retired, student, etc. You say how much amount you want to deposit on the platform. Don't worry, it has no influence. Then in which sector you work, through which payment channel you will use Binance. You must click on bank transfer, continue. So now you will have completed your verification process on Binance. You will receive an email when it is accepted. In the meantime, you can return to the Binance homepage and you can find your Binance account, which is created. So the verification is in progress. You can already start making your first operations on Binance. So that's it for this video. Don't hesitate to watch my other tutorial videos on Binance. It was GUMY, ciao.